Today is going to be a fantastic day. It's a launch and platform into new things that we want to do in Huawei Research Centre in the video space.
It's truly the best of the time when video traffic is exploding and the video business is booming.
The resolution of our video become higher from HD to 4K, 8K, and VR is coming.
The Adapt Centre has established itself as a world-recognised hub of expertise, capable of spearheading advances in digital content technologies and digital media technologies.
It's very well established at this stage that speech, in the simplest form, you can think of it as a bimodal signal. So speech is both what you hear and what you see.
Video presents a number of very significant challenges. What I'd like to talk about is how we can look at personalisation as an approach to helping us to understand how we might explore video content.
The point of this new project was to explore how can we create a virtual world that is mimicking our real world.
In terms of immersion 3D, we've been involved in a number of development tools to help artists to make sure that 3D is still watchable.
We don't just want to draw a realistic image or even an aesthetic image, but we want to draw images that convey information more effectively.
Well, what is creative technologies? That's any technical system or workflow to produce, support, enable, and so on, creative content from capture to display.
So you want to compress pictures so that we view them in the light of the way humans would perceive pictures. But actually that's only one small part of what's possible when you have perceptual metrics.
Foray into the field of crowd simulation was very much got to do with games and having realistic crowds for games and filling environments with interesting people doing lots of different things.
We know where the sounds come from because we get cues off the stage, and when we move our head around, those cues stay stable, etc. That's the scenario we were trying to enact when you sit in front of the screen.
We try to listen to what corporates, large companies needs in terms of video management.
The wheel of death. If you have the wheel of death come up, you will go away from it.
I was blown away by an algorithm that could measure any language and tell if people are communicating effectively. There must be applications, I said, for this. There have to be.
With the current 3D animation pipeline, spontaneity is absolutely not possible. 3D animation is pretty painful. It takes a very, very long time.
So a lot of corporate training still today is boring and page turning e-learning. And that's sort of viewed as the de facto standard in terms of e-learning.